Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see suffix relation. So what is suffix? S is a suffix of t if and only if there exists of x belongs to sigma star t equal to xs. Now s will be the end part. The last part is called as the suffix. Example, the suffix of a, b, b are epsilon, a, ba, bba, abc. How I am taking? Epsilon is a suffix. Okay. Now, when epsilon, so when s is your epsilon, then x is going to your a, b, b, a. Okay, a, b, b, a. So the string t is going to your xs. So x is your a, b, b, a. Then epsilon is going to give you a, b, b, a, like this. Okay, so when x is your when I will assume s as a, then x is going to your a, b, b, then t is going to your x s, first x then s, so x is going to your this a, b, b, then okay, so this part I am taking the end part. So a is the suffix, then ba, suffix, then bba, then aa, ba. So bb is not a prefix as well as suffix because it is the middle. From the beginning, then it's prefix from the end. So you can't take bba, okay? Because from the end you have to take. And when you are taking a, then a like this, then you should write ba, okay? You said ba. Don't write ab, okay? Don't write ab. So this is a common mistake that students do. So suffix is going to be the part of the string of end part, okay? Now s is a proper suffix of t if and only if s is a suffix of t. S is a suffix of t and s not equal to t and s not equal to epsilon. Same. Similar to the proper prefix, here the proper suffix will not have the same string and epsilon. So the proper suffix of a, b, b are except this and the same string a, b, a, b, b, a. Okay. Now see, epsilon and same string itself is a suffix of every string, similar to the prefix. Okay, so always epsilon and the same string itself is a suffix of every string, and this is very important that epsilon and same string, that's why it's called as trivial prefix as well as trivial suffix. Okay, now see point 3. So similar to proper prefix, here also proper suffix is also called as non-prime suffix. Okay, so another name of proper suffix is also called as non-prime suffix. Now if the length of the string is n, then number of prefix and number of suffix you will get is n plus 1. See an example, if the string is your ABB, why plus 1 for epsilon? Because epsilon is always going to be prefix and suffix of every string, epsilon. Now in prefix, first a will come 1, AB come 2, then A, AB, ABB 3. So for every symbol we are getting 1, 1, 1 prefix. Similarly epsilon, then B, then BBA, B, then BB, then A, BB. Okay, so this is very important. If the length of the string, and we generally represent the string by using W, okay, W represent string. If the length of the string is n, the number of prefix and number of suffix you will get is n plus 1. Okay.